welcome back to QuizIQ Mint. Can you guess the birds within just 10 seconds? We prepared to guess the bird questions, and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you will receive 1 point. If you are ready, hit that subscribe button first, and let's start. Guess the image. Great start, that's Eagle. What image is this? Yes, that's Peacock. Can you guess this image in 10 seconds? The answer is Pigeon. Next image. Wow, this is Parakeet. Are you ready? Do you know this image? That's Vulture. Take a guess. It's called Hummingbird. Guess the image in 10 seconds. This one is Owl. What do you think? That's correct, it is Quail. Which type does this image belong to? It's known as Kingfisher. Do you have the answer? Nice, it's Blue Jay. Do you recognize the image? This is known as Swallow. Have you seen this image before? This particular answer is Canary. It's getting a bit more challenging. That's the one duck. Identify this image. You got it, this one is dove. What is shown in this image? The name is Goose. What can you see here? Exactly, it's called Finches. Can you name this image? This one is called Hawk. What does this image depict? It's recognized as Sparrow. Recognize this image? The correct one is Myna. What do you see in this picture? Absolutely, this one is Ostrich. What's the name of this image? You're right, this one is Kite. Can you identify this? That is Magpie. What's depicted in this photo? Yes, indeed, it's called Starling. Can you tell what this is? That's right, it is Seagull. What image is this? This one's his hen. What's this picture of? You're correct. It's known as Stork. Can you recognize this image? Right on, it's called Pelican. Do you know what this is? This is called crow. What's the subject of this image? That would be crane. What do you think this image is? Sure thing, this is Woodpecker. What do you see here? Correct, it's called Cuckoo. Guess what this is? You are right, this one is emu. What is this an image of? You nailed it, it's Cockatoo. What's in this picture? True, it's called Goldfinch. Can you guess this photo? Right, the answer is pheasant. Do you know what's in this image? Yeah, that's it, Heron. What is displayed in this picture? That's the answer, parrot. What picture is this? The term is swan. Can you figure out this image? That's spot on, macaw. What does this picture show? You know it, raven. What's in the image? For sure, penguin. Do you recognize this photo? This is it, hornbill. Can you identify the image? Definitely. This one is turkey. What is in this photo? Yes, this is cockatiel. Can you name the image? The answer clearly is nightingale. What do you see in this image? It's true, robin. Identify this photo. Spot on, toucan. What can you guess from this image? Dead right, patoo. What type of image is this? Yes, you're correct, cassowary. Can you guess what this is? This particular one is mallard.